show you how to do black smoky eye without looking like a raccoon in few steps. So for that kind of eyeshadow look, all you need is some brown tones and black. So first I'm going to use this white shade all over my lid like that. We're going to start working with the brown shade, so I'm patting that color all over my lid. Doesn't matter how it looks at the moment, we're going to blend it out like that. I'm cleaning my brushes in between. Now I'm going to take this darker brown and use it right here again. Now again, taking the cleaning brush, I'm going to blend it out just like how we did it before. One last time, we're going to have this darkest brown shade right here how we did it before. Here I am doing the same process again and again with 3 different shades. Now same thing again, we're going to blend it out. Mind you, work with your own sweet time and speed when it comes to smoky eye, because all you need is patience. And now that's it with the brown shades. Always make sure to work with a lighter to darker. So here I'm using Norvina Volume 2 palette and I am taking in this black shade. Make sure it's a flat brush this time because we already worked on that smoked part. So we're just gonna apply it slowly. Tap off the excess, pat in the black color like that. So this is how it should look after you apply the black shade. Make sure not to go above your crease line. Trust me, it's not gonna look good if you go above your crease line. Now don't blend the black shade like we blended the brown. Very careful when we are blending this black. That's the reason you need to have a smallest blending brush. And this is how it looks after blending it nice and good. Whenever I do black smoky eye, I don't want to go in with a black gel liner on my waterline, as it tends to make your eye way too smaller. So I'm going in with the brown. It does not make the huge difference, but somewhat. Here I'm using ColourPop cream gel liner in shade brown and blending it out with a little flat brush using Hella Thick mascara from Fenty Beauty. And to finish off the eye look, add lashes to your own good. I'm going to be adding this velour in Style Flawless. This is how it looks, and this is how it looks with the lashes on. Doesn't really matter if you wear it or not because it's not going to make a huge difference. So now finish off the look with any lipstick shade that you want. This is what I went with, and that's it, you guys. And make sure to comment if you learned anything out of today's video and follow for more.